Okay, guys, welcome to Build with Mr. Lee. What we're looking at today is how to install Breeze on your Laravel project. So, I'm working with Laravel 9, and currently you can see that laravel.com/docs and is on version 9. So, if here is your version, if your version here is 10, you convert to 9. Also, for us to work with Breeze, we go to starter kits. So on starter kits, while it is loading, let's load up our project. So on File Explorer, on my document, I have a project called Breeze app. So I on Windows 11, it's Shift F10, open with code. Then the code is open. As you can see, my terminal is up already. My terminal is up already. Let's go back and check. So on starter kit, you can see we're going to be installing Laravel with Breeze. Sorry, Breeze and Blade. Yes, we're going to be installing Breeze and Blade. Take note, there are Breeze for React and Vue, but currently we just stick to Blade. So this is the procedure. First of all, you have to require it with Composer. So we use this line of code. Composer require Laravel Breeze dash dash dev. So you just copy that and paste here and hit enter. To take a while to actually download and ensure your data is actually turned on. So after that, you have a Breeze installation with Blade, which is PHP Artisan Breeze installed. So while we wait for this to load, it has been actually installed successfully. So also there's a shortcut for accessing terminal. So instead of going to this terminal here, new terminal, you could see this Control Shift plus ~. The shortcut for it actually is just Control and ~. So if I press Control and ~, it's off, and if I press Control plus ~, it comes up. So if you don't know what ~, is, this is symbol here, the symbol you're seeing here. So that's ~. So back to the next thing to do is PHP Artisan in Breeze install. So you can actually use this Breeze term because Composer actually has required it correctly. So going back to the code, if we write PHP Artisan Breeze install Blade. So installation will start. Let's wait until it's complete then. So currently Breeze has been successfully installed. So the next thing to do is to run our npm. It's supposed to be PHP artisan migrate, but right now there's no migration table. So we do npm install and npm run dev. So npm install. So it will take a while, and ensure your data is turned on for it to work. Then we'll come back and we'll run npm run dev, and that will be it for. So npm has been installed. You can see now we run npm run dev. So we can see it's building. It's actually building, and building is successful. So been able to run the development. So that's it for installing your Breeze on your Laravel Blade package. Now, one thing with the Breeze is that it generates some folders, especially the auth folder. So in your app HTTP controllers, you see an auth folder. Then in your resources and views, resources views, you're going to see an auth folder too, and a layout folder. So there's a auth folder and layout folder. These folders were made available by Breeze. Also in your web.php, so in your web.php, you see this required directory auth.php. This was also made available by um, installation of Breeze on your blade. So that's it. Please do well to like and subscribe so as to get more upcoming videos.